So I just got 100 subscribers on YouTube, and sometimes I can't believe it. I made Basque Berserk with the intention of making some okay videos and then slowly improving them, and then maybe putting myself out there and trying to get subscribers. But I started getting subscribers so suddenly, and I hadn't even done any advertising for myself. It just started happening, and I'm still like in shock that any of you actually watch anything that I say. I am just so touched at all of you who have commented and emailed me words of encouragement, or to help me practice my Basque, or to ask me really good questions that have challenged me with my learning. I am just so amazed and overwhelmed. And I'm really, really proud of all you guys who are learning this amazing language. I don't know if you've realized yet how worth it is, but I hope you stick with it and I don't end up scaring you away. Thank you guys. Mushu bat. Agur.